What is link clocking and how does it help in affiliate marketing? That's what we are going to learn today. Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth video of affiliate marketing by ShoutMeLoud. This is a free video course to educate users around the globe about affiliate marketing. And if you have watched my first three videos and if you're one of those who liked the video, first of all, thank you. Now this video, we are going to learn about affiliate link clocking. And this is one of those techniques that I recommend to every blogger, every YouTuber to start using from day one. So let's dive into affiliate link clocking. So here is how it works. Like whenever you sign up for an affiliate program, you get one affiliate link. That affiliate link is linked to your account. And usually most of the bloggers use that affiliate link directly in their blog post or on their YouTube channel in the description, which is great, which works. But those links are usually very ugly and very long, and they don't look very safe. Now, when you use link clocking technique, that means you basically make those affiliate link, those long, ugly affiliate link into pretty links, which looks very clickable. So that's where you can actually use a link clocking plugin or a tool like Genius to manage all your affiliate link. And it gives you a lot of advantages, and some of the advantages are not very obvious. But when you move ahead in the field of affiliate marketing, you would realize that how does it help. So let's understand some of the benefits of link clocking. So number one, as I said, it makes your ugly affiliate links look pretty, and that actually makes it clickable. Now the second one, you actually get to see the stats, like how many people are clicking on the links, how many people are interacting with the link, which is perfect. Now the third one, you can actually redirect user based on their geolocation. So you might be using one link, but if a user is coming from US or if a user is coming from India, you can redirect them to two different pages now, which is a very big advantage. And as the companies have started creating separate website for different country, it's very important that you should start geo-targeting. Now, there are a few solutions out there which we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. Now, the fourth one, and this is something which I believe, surpasses all other advantages. So let's say if you're using an affiliate link, let's say you're signed up for Shopify and you have that link in 50 of your blog posts or 50 of the videos. Now tomorrow Shopify decides to change the affiliate link. Now what are the options that you have? You need to go back and edit all the links manually. But when you're using a link clocking tool or a plugin, from one place you can update all the links. So in case if you're not following it, let's understand this with another example. So you have this long, ugly affiliate link. Now you use a link clocking plugin like Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links on your WordPress blog or something like Genius. Now what it does is, instead of using this ugly affiliate link, you will be using something like domain.com/go/Shopify. Now tomorrow you're using this link at 50 different places, and you need to update the affiliate link. So rather than going back and editing all the blog posts, you can simply use this affiliate link clocking plugin or tool that you're using. Just click on edit, change the affiliate link once, and automatically users will be redirected to the new page. And this becomes really beneficial in the longer run, especially when you start growing in your blogging or YouTube career. Rather than managing and going back and editing all your blog posts, you can do everything from one place. And as we say, data is the king. So now you have the stats like how many users are clicking on the links, where they are clicking from. It will help you to understand a lot about how people are interacting with your website. And that will actually help you to make much more money. Now, if you're using WordPress, I highly recommend you to use this plugin called Monster Insight. It's a Google Analytics WordPress plugin, and it has a module which let you track on which blog post people have clicked and interacted with your affiliate link. And I think it's very powerful, especially in the future when you're planning to optimize your article for more sales. This kind of data is going to be really helpful. But the most important thing is that you should be collecting this kind of data as soon as you can. Now, there are a few other uses of link clocking. For example, if somebody is clicking on the link, you can actually add a pixel, a Facebook pixel, so you can retarget those users again on Facebook. Now, those are the advanced uses and something that you should definitely consider exploring. We will definitely explore that in the upcoming video. Now, there are a few more videos which are coming out, and it will help you to learn more about affiliate marketing. I hope you're enjoying this free series of affiliate marketing. And if you have any suggestion, if you want me to do any particular video, do let me know. It will help me to add it into our content calendar. With that, I'm your host Harsh Agarwal. See you in the next video. Bye bye.